we are going to discuss about something called panel control. Panel control. Okay, what exactly this control does? Let's see. File, new website. Website 9. Okay. 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 Add one web form. Default.aspx. Web form is added. Now go to design window. Now we require to place panel control. Go to toolbox. Here you will find here panel control. Drag and drop. Yes. Compress this like this. This total is panel control. Okay. In this panel control, now I'll keep some controls in it. One, I'll keep label. One control. Okay. Some text property. Go to properties. Here is label in panel. Okay. This is confirmation. Now you require to place image control. So go to toolbox. Yes, you have image control here. Drag and drop. Now add image first in your project. Right click on the project. Add existing item. C drive. Somewhere I have my image files. I'll copy paste them. All files. Some images are there. 1 to 4. Interested, go for all. Whether any one is also fine. Now what do you want to do? You want to connect here your image. Right click, go to properties. Image URL. Browse. Image 1.jpg. Yes, add it. Compress it. Yes, compressed. Image URL. Okay. Same way, I have to keep another control. Go to toolbox. That is called image button. Okay. Now for image button also, right click, properties, image URL, image 4. Okay. Yes. Image 4 it is. Okay. This is one control. This is one control. Still you want to compress? Compress. No issue. Yeah. Now on the whole you place 3 controls. One label, one image control, one image button. Image button. Okay. Now what is the advantage you have of creating panel control? What is the advantage we have of creating what? Panel control. Simple answer is you can create one small box or you can create one small block and in that block you're going to place some controls. You can place some controls like that may be a box for login credentials. Login credentials. where it will ask for username, text box will be there, again password, text box will be there. So what you can do now, this small portion where we have set of controls in it, that panel control, it's left to you. Simple conclusion is what now? I can make the total control enable or disable. You can hide or you can unhide. So exactly same way, now what I want to do, whenever I click on this image button, it should hide the panel. Double click. Yes, image button one dot click panel one dot visible equal to false. Yes. Now let's run the code and see. Debug, start without it. Click on this. See, total panel has been hidden. Total panel. You can do same thing. You can create one panel. In that panel, you can ask for enter username. Then one text box will be there. Again, enter password. One more text box will be there. Below it, you'll have a button called log on and cancel. Whenever you click on log on, that panel, that window where you gave login credentials, that should be closed. That should be hidden. That's what I did. Visible equal to false. Panel is hidden. That's it. This is one part. Now we will go with another control. This is most important control. Now what we are going to learn. It is called file upload control. File upload. File new website. Website 10. Then add a web form to the project. Now what you do, now what you have to do, go to Solution Explorer, right click on the project, add new folder, and in this folder you will have uploaded file. Folder name I gave as uploaded file. Uploaded file. Okay, remember that. Uploaded files is one folder I created. Now, folder I said. Now what you have to do, you should add one control that is called file upload control. Go to toolbox. Here, file upload, drag and drop. Yes, file upload. And I want this to be attached with break keyword. And below it, you'll have button. And I'll give the text on this as save file btn save file. Yes. Now, moment I keep file upload control. Now you can see that file upload control will be connected with two controls. Together they become one control. What are they? One is your text box, the other is your button. See here, if you select, they'll be coming as one control, single. Text box is not separately getting selected, button is not getting separately selected. When I click on it, the total file upload control, total control has become your one control. So file upload control contains how many controls? Two controls. One is text box where you're going to put your file name, and another control. Now what to do? Okay, we'll try. If it doesn't work, we'll look into this. Okay, I'll go with other example. Parallelly, I'll make one architecture also, so that coding and all easily you can understand. Okay, so I call this as uh, representation or working of file upload control. Okay. Currently, whatever is there, you draw that. Okay. This is your design. This is one text box. And what is it written there in the file upload control? What is it written? Check one. Browse. Same thing, all right. Browse. And you'll have a button here. What is the text you have mentioned there? Save file. Save file. Now double click on this button. Save file button is a double click on this button. Now every line which I'm going to write has a detailed explanation. So you should be cautious now. Here I'll even draw. First C drive. Inside this. In C drive, what is the folder? CS batch 6 p.m. That is one folder. Inside this folder, you will have file, save as, my web app. Okay. Now, what is the folder I have is my web app. Website 10. This is one folder. And this is your folder. In that you have one file. default.aspx.cs. Now we added one folder also inside. This is a solution. Solution. Second is project. Second one is project. We added one web form. Here, website 10. Under project, I created a folder. Okay, I'll upload, I'll mention here also. Here I'll mention. What is the folder name is? Uploaded files. This is folder. Folder. This is your What is this? This is location. No, this one is location. Sorry. My web app is location. This is also folder. Okay. This is the story we have now. This I'll have some gap here. Okay. And I'll even show you some folders are there, like bin folder. Bin folder is there. And one file is also there here inside this. That is called web.config. C# it is called app.config. Here it is called web.config. There. Now link all of them. Link. First, C drive has a folder called CS batch 6 p.m. Inside CS batch 6 p.m. there is a folder called my web app. Under my web app there is a folder. Inside this you have project. Solution will also be there. I'm not drawing solution now because solution is in different location. So let's not talk on that. Right. And inside this project, you have one more folder created. That's called uploaded file. Uploaded file. Now we are going to write the logic. Chalo, come back. Let's do this. Save. Now double click on save file. First, what I'll do, first confirmation I'm saying, we will check whether user has selected file. What do you want to do? You want to check whether file has been available in the control or not. First we will check that. What do you want to check? Whether file which you want to upload has been made available or not. Property. Property, I'm unable to recollect. Let's see there by writing an if condition. What do you want to check? Whether the control has a file or not. So you can use file upload one dot. There's a property called uh, has file. Yes, file upload one dot has file. Okay. What I do, if file is not there, then else I'll get confirmation message, just confirmation message saying that response dot write file not selected for upload, semicolon. Here you have to add break line. File not selected for what? Uploading. So let's see. Only this part only we'll see. Okay, run the code now. Nothing. I didn't write true block. I didn't write at all. Only false block I have written. Don't select the file. Don't click on browse. Don't select. Direct click on save file. File not selected for upload. Because you didn't select the file. Simple. Now important point that I would like to highlight here is important point I'm saying. What I want to highlight is this has file property is there, na? Has a file. It's only to check whether the file has been selected in the control for uploading. So has file condition has become false. Control has come to else, and we got a message. We got a message. Break line. Break line. You want to confirm? Say bold. And it should be applied with color also. How to write color? How to write? Okay, I have to use label then. If I want to change the color, I should keep label. File not selected for upload. File not selected for upload. Now what do you want to do? No. Has the file will check in the control whether file has been selected or not. Okay, that's fine. Now can you say me what is the path of this uploaded files folder? What is the path I'm saying? Path of that uploaded file. Simple code. I write here. String virtual path equal to what is the folder name? Uploaded file. So how do you create that virtual path? You have to say here tilde this symbol slash uploaded file slash concatenate. Plus what? What do you want to have there? Yes, you want to have file upload one dot file name. Yes. Now the total path will be like this now. Total path will be like this. Uploaded files path c:/cs-6pm/ website1 slash website1 one our assistant website 10 slash you have a folder uploaded file. What is virtual path? Virtual path tilde symbol slash uploaded file. So this one is virtual path and this one is physical path. What is the file you want to attach? Yes, place. That is virtual path I have written. Bottom I have written physical path. So how do you get physical path? Okay, that code I'll write. String physical path equal to, yes, you have to convert your logical path, virtual path, to physical path. How? Server dot map path and I'll give virtual path. This is a method. Server dot map path. That is a method that will convert. What it converts? Virtual path to physical path. Map path is a method in server object whose work is to convert from what else you need to do? First you created a folder, we checked the condition, then now we converted that logical path to physical path. Now what to do? Know what to do. Map path will convert virtual path to physical path. Physical path will give you total path of the file. We will try this now in this picture. Whichever file you are writing here, you have to check whether that file is already there in this folder or not. You have to check what possibility is there. Like I may upload same file 2 times. So why unnecessary there one extra file? Before it, you check first. If it is not there, upload it. If it is there, reject it. But how to check? That is important. Okay. To check that, I write here. What I write is if system namespace IO namespace. In that there is a class called file. In that there is a method called exist, and I give physical path. And you get a message. Response dot write file already uploaded. File already uploaded. This is the confirmation message. Yes. Else. Now you have to save that file in that location. Which location? Uploaded file location. How do you save? You got an option. File upload one dot save as. You have to give physical path and confirmation again. Response dot write file successfully uploaded. Break line, then semicolon. That is for what? Else path. So let's see now how this total code will work for us. Virtual path, physical. Yeah, this is the code. Save this. Now let's run the code. Yes. Save file. File not selected for uploading. Okay, then go for selection. Browse. C drive. My data. Some file I am uploading. myquery.txt. Some name. Or myquery1.sql. Some name I am saying. Open. Yes. See the path? C://mydata/myquery1.sql. Now I click on save file. Yes, myquery1.sql has been uploaded. I'll do again. Second time I'll do. Same file. Now what is it? It has uploaded now in this location. It's called myquery1.sql. Myquery1.sql. This is a file uploaded. Now I'll try to do same process one more time. Same file I'll select. Try. Browse. myquery1.sql open. Save file. File already uploaded. Now you can go and check that you don't have same file for second time now. Yes, refresh this project. This is the logic. Go through this code till you feel anywhere you want to ask some, in any questions you have on this topic. Go through that code. Okay, Romana. This is streams topic. IO streams we studied in C#.NET, that topic. Two classes we have there. File class, file info class. Two classes will be there. Any questions you have? Any queries? Understand every line, please. Every line you understand. Nothing is written in assumption. There is a statement needed as compulsory. For that reason, we have added those lines. Now question is, at which server you have uploaded this file now, the selected file. In file upload control, you selected now myquery1.sql. So where did you upload that file? Romana, you can answer. We uploaded, file uploaded, and we have seen that the file has been shifted to uploaded files folder. Everything we have discussed, I demonstrated here. In the picture also, you can see very clearly. Here, myquery1.sql, file uploaded. Whichever the file, image file, JPG file, your resume, Yeah, you can answer, please. Anand, you can answer. At which server this file has been uploaded? Usually, you might have uploaded your resume on naukri.com or monster.com or timesjobs.com. You might have uploaded your resume. And you always say, like, whenever you upload, they'll ask you last minute, upload resume. Then you select the resume, click on upload. It's uploaded. Where it is uploaded? Where it is uploaded? It's in your machine or in that company's server machine. Naukri.com, they have their own server. So whoever around the globe uploads the files, that will be available in their server. Which server? External server with which server, Anand? No. Your answer should be we have uploaded the file at IIS Express server, not in database, not in external server, not in file server. We uploaded because my project has been designed for IIS Express server. So whatever you are uploading, that is happening for which server? IIS Express server. Database नहीं बोलना, database है ही नहीं. We don't have database. ADO.NET is not there at all. Actually, file is in some other location. Did you notice that my query1.sql, it is available in some other folder? That was in my data folder, and I uploaded in uploaded files folder. Means from you can say like this, from normal hard disk, we selected a file and I moved that file to IIS Express server. Ab Naukri.com, if you upload your file in Naukri.com, you are uploading your file not in your local server. You are uploading a file in that company's server. There is one physical separate machine available in the company that would act as server. In that server, which web server they are using, that we don't know. But if they are using, for example, if they are using some web server, like say for example Apache Tomcat server, if they are using, so your file is uploaded to Apache Tomcat server, that is in a server machine of that particular company. That is what the meaning is. Okay, everyone comfortable? नहीं, IIS Express बोलना सर, IIS server नहीं, IIS Express. Romana, it's not IIS server. Our project is on IIS Express server है अपना. IIS server नहीं बोलना, गलत है तो meaning will change because your IIS server बोलते क्या? What is IIS server? IIS server बोलते that one, वो inet pub www root है ना C drive में. In that, if your file is uploaded file is in that folder, then it means you have uploaded a file at IIS server. That's it. That's it. Now from here, all controls are important. From here, now we started major controls. We started now. Major. Or checkbox, list, radio button, more design part. So this will be among the complete page design. This file upload control could be quite very important. Acha, one more technical query. One more technical query here. Uh, Especially, I don't know whether you noticed or not. Let me show you practically. Okay. Mm, File not selected for uploading. Okay, that's fine. Now just right click here, click on view. Okay, before it, I'll just 1 second please. I'll go to Visual Studio. This default.aspx source window. Now what do you notice here? Form tag, form tag, ID form1 run at server. Okay, that's it. Now remember one thing. What I was saying, I forgot. Yes. Now when I run my code, this is important. Yeah, it's over. Now right click on this, click on view source. Come down. Here. Form, method equal to post, action, default.aspx, ID form1. This is automatically added. That's called encoding type. It's not added in server tag. Please understand. It is not added in server tag. It is added in client tag. Client. After rendering that file upload control to server, then you can see that multi-part form data encoding type is added to client side form tag. What is your form tag? Only two options are there in it. ID is there, run at server. That's it, nothing else. What additional things? Action. One additional thing, action. Then enc type, encoding type. That's it. Over. Okay, as I already said you, projects in company we develop using ASP.NET. 90% work will be on ASP. 90%. Out of 100 companies, if they are developing .NET projects, you can find hardly 10 or 20 companies will be there which will be developing projects only on C Sharp, because when they develop projects in C Sharp, those projects will be desktop projects. That's not available around the globe. That is not available for people to access from home, from anywhere in the world. It's not available in that way because they work only within the what premises, within the location. So development 100% will happen on ASP.NET. And to develop ASP.NET, back support C Sharp needed. Yes, that code what you have written is all about ASP instruction, but writing style is C Sharp style. If condition, else, while loop, for loop. What are all these? These are the C Sharp features, C Sharp technique, C Sharp statement. Statements. If condition, loops. They are not ASP related statements. They are C Sharp related statements. This is a point they ask, like this is a query they ask, like what is ASP.NET? What is ASP.NET? They ask, is it a language or a package? Romana, you can answer for this. What is ASP.NET? Is a language or a package? अब ये भी याद रख लो. This question also wantedly I asked. Wantedly, listen. If they ask, is ASP.NET a language or a package? Confirm ASP.NET is not a language, but even you're not supposed to answer package. Package, I said, because there is no alternate option in it. Aapko now you should answer ASP.NET is neither a language nor it is a package. Then what is it? So you should answer ASP.NET is a technology. बोलना है, language package नहीं होता ये. ASP.NET is not a language, not a package. Technology. They don't give third option for you. Third option they won't ask. Yaro mana, I will teach everything in every class. Thing is, you people should revise na. You should people recollect na. Without thinking, you just have come up saying package. Everyone. Yeah, web application development. अब और एक है यहाँ पे क्वेरी, और एक क्वेरी है, और एक क्वेश्चन है, ये भी रियल टाइम में, ये भी पूछते हैं इंटरव्यूज में. इफ यू आर गोइंग विथ एक्सपीरियंस तो समझो ये क्वेश्चन कंफर्म दे लास्ट बेसिक्स में. Now they'll ask, now they ask, the moment you say, no, it's not language, it's not package, then what is ASP.NET? Simple bolna, it's technology. The moment you say technology, uno pushta. Now he'll ask, what do you mean by technology? How it is different from language? Simple. ऐसा बोल सकते that ASP.NET purely depends on language. Background coding we do with the support of language. Why? Simple. ASP.NET में if I remove C Sharp, if you put a C Sharp aside, if I don't talk about C Sharp in ASP, question, do you have if condition in ASP.NET? No. Do you have loops in ASP.NET? No. Do you have operators in ASP.NET? No. That is the reason we are dependent on language. Technology will not have all these things. HTML में you have, do you agree if I say that HTML has thousands of tags? What, Romana? HTML में thousands of tags we have in HTML. Do you have a tag called if condition? If condition tag है क्या? No, we don't have at all. Then how do you validate then? How do you validate HTML tag? How do you validate? That is the reason we go to JavaScript. JavaScript is also one language only. For ASP.NET, as C# is the language support we have. For HTML, JavaScript is support. For classic ASP, VB script is support. Language compulsory, you should know C#, C#.NET. Some companies will be there. Some companies they'll say, no, we are not using C#, we are using VB. Go for it. Language C#, VB is not a big deal. You prepare my notes and 1 hour is enough. 1 hour maximum, 1 hour is enough. Total VB.NET comparison you can wind up C#. A VB.NET in comparison you can complete up. So you will be hired in company on .NET as developer.